Well, we're back in Naples, down at the Mart. We're in the midst of a pretty heavy-duty pour right now. I got several trucks on site that are ready to go. So we're doing a combination of items. Right now we're getting rid of a little bit of concrete that was getting hot on us, dumping her into footers off to the side. Rod busters are out there continuing with their walls. And as we walk through this cluster, shall we call it, we'll make our way up here to where we're pouring some slabs. So we started a little bit later than we would usually, mostly due to having to set up concrete so far in advance and the unwillingness of the supplier to change once we get to it. We're in the midst of what they call a cement shortage, which is causing us some issues with callbacks or changing our orders in advance. But right now we've got one slab poured out. We're working on two sections. It's about 35 to 40 yards in each one. So we're giving these guys a break while we try to dump out some of our concrete. And so I'm actually missing my 2 o'clock meeting right now. We're trying just to hustle up this concrete. But the guys are working now. Again, we're cutting them a little slack right now by dropping back to do some footers. Elsewhere on the job, we are working plumbing and electrical underground on the far end down here. This section is close to being ready to pour. And then I've got, we'll be making it, this will be our next pour. And then after that, we'll be making it into the lobby area. So about halfway. The meeting I'm about to go into right now is actually in reference to getting some shoring on site to begin the second floor decks over here on this end while we're working our way through here. So we'll make our way back down through here. This will be a pretty quick walkthrough today. Again, just got caught in a very, very busy area right here. So our plan was, I got my electricians working over here. Our plan was to pour some columns today. I've got a cluster underneath of the pool that's ready to go. And let's stop by and see how this mud came out. Again, it's getting a little bit hot. We've had to add 20 gallons of water into this particular truck. And hopefully she comes down the chute. Okay, so again, our concrete is getting a little bit old. So we've got a nice big hole down here where we're going to dump it out. So since we got such a big hole, it's going to go fast and get us caught up. So that's our quick walkthrough for today. I got a little bit to do with these trucks, so we'll call it quits for right now. See you on the next one.